In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can save a Canva presentation to a USB drive. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But if you want to save a Canva presentation to a USB drive, don't worry, because this is actually super easy to do. First things first, obviously go ahead and open up Canva and go ahead and navigate to whatever presentation you want to go ahead and use. In my case, we're just going to do something like this one right here. And what you're going to want to do once you do have your presentation made is actually hit this share button up in the top right corner and choose this download button right here to save the file to your device. Now you could choose a few different options here. I recommend putting this on PDF standard, but if you do know that you're going to be obviously presenting this, put it on Microsoft PowerPoint and it's going to keep it in the same kind of format and also going to have those same transitions that you would usually have between the slides. So once again, share, download, put it on PDF or PowerPoint. And once it does download, what you're going to want to do is make sure that you have your USB drive plugged in, open up your file explorer, find that USB drive. We're just going to pretend that this Photoshop file is it right here. Go into your downloads and essentially just drag that into your USB drive just like so. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. Before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. With all notifications though, it does help us out and lets us know that you want more Canva content just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.